Hello, welcome back to another Trailmakers video. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to make like a simple fighter jet. So let's not waste any time and get straight into it. Once you're into the builder, just go into the seat category and select the cockpit. And then I recommend putting some mini thrusters behind the seat as they have quite good acceleration. And then get a dragon jet and place them behind the mini thrusters. And then after that, go into lift and drag and select a modular wing and place that just on the seat as so. And then go into frame and get a 2x4 block and place it just behind the dragon jet there. And then we're gonna get some ailerons for up here. Oh, that's the wrong size. I need this one. Just like that. And then I'm just going to add an elevator tail and fill that in with some 1x3s. Now it's almost done, but we just need a tail fin and some finishing touches. So I'm just going to add two simple tail fins up here. And then a nose cone by going to tubes and selecting the cone 2x2x2. Oh, we have to connect it all, right. I'm just gonna grab some shield pieces and I'll be back when it's all connected. Alrighty, I just added some shield blocks underneath and I think it's time for a test drive. Or test fly, I guess, actually. So as you can see, it flies really well, actually. So yeah, that's your fighter jet. I hope you enjoyed, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye! Almost forgot to mention, but if you want to make it a real fighter jet with some guns, you can just put two smart cannons up here on the wings, and it still flies the same, but now it's actually a fighter jet, so yeah. Okay, bye bye.